Hello everyone, welcome back to CAD CAM Training. Today I'm going to show you how to use fold and unfold command in sheet metal. Let's start with the video. Choose the right plane, sketch, and make it normal. Choose the center line, and draw it from the origin point. Now select the center point arc and draw it from the origin point like this. Choose the smart dimension, this point and this point to 1 mm. And radius of the arc 50 mm. And stretch the center line like this. And make it vertical. Now choose these 2 points and the center line and make them symmetric. Go to sheet metal, base flange, and extrude it up to 50 mm. Go to the unfold command, choose this edge and this face. OK. Right-click on this face, sketch, and make it normal. Draw a corner rectangle like this. Choose the center line, and draw it from the center point like this. Choose the smart dimension, this line and this line, to 7 mm. This line 40 mm. And this line 6 mm. Now choose the center point of the rectangle and center line and make them coincident. Choose the fillet command, select all the edges of the rectangle. Radius 2 mm. OK. Choose the linear pattern. Select all the edges of the rectangle. Reverse the direction. Pattern 20 entities. Choose the smart dimension, this line and this line to 10 mm. Go to Features, Extrude Cut, and extrude cut it to through all. OK. Go to sheet metal, fold command, and select this face. OK. Go to Appearance, Metal, Steel, and double-click on the polished steel. Our design is ready.